Have you ever thought, what really happens inside an animal's body when it's sacrificed during Eid-ul-Adha? Why does Islam require us to cut from the neck and drain the blood completely? And what does modern science say about this? Let's explore the biology behind Qurbani, and discover how religion and science can go hand in hand. Eid-ul-Adha, also called the Festival of Sacrifice, is one of the most important Islamic festivals. It honors the willingness of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, to sacrifice his son in obedience to Allah's command. Instead, Allah provided a ram to be sacrificed. To remember this great act of devotion, Muslims all over the world sacrifice animals such as goats, sheep, cows, and camels. But behind this spiritual tradition, there is a fascinating science happening inside the animal's body. In Islamic Qurbani, a swift, deep cut is made to the carotid arteries, jugular veins, trachea, and esophagus. This technique is not only religiously prescribed, it's also scientifically humane when done correctly. Here's why. When these major blood vessels are cut, the blood pressure in the brain drops rapidly. As a result, the brain loses oxygen in a matter of seconds, and the animal becomes unconscious almost instantly. This minimizes pain and distress. At the same time, the heart continues to beat for a short while. This helps pump out nearly all the blood from the body. Also, blood is rich in bacteria, toxins, and waste. If it's not drained properly, it can spoil the meat, cause bad odor, and make it unsafe to eat. By removing most of the blood, we also reduce the chances of bacterial growth, making the meat cleaner, safer, and healthier for consumption. This process also improves the color, texture, and shelf life of the meat. This is also the perfect real-life example of the circulatory system in action. When the arteries and veins are cut, blood exits rapidly due to pressure difference. Oxygen supply to the brain stops. The central nervous system shuts down. And within seconds, the animal loses awareness. After Qurbani, the meat must be preserved properly. This is where chemistry comes in. Salt draws out moisture and prevents bacterial growth. Refrigeration slows down chemical reactions that spoil meat. Vinegar changes the pH level, making it harder for microbes to survive. So, from biology to chemistry, science is deeply involved in the process. So this Eid-ul-Adha, when you witness the Qurbani, remember, you're not just watching a tradition. You're actually seeing real-life science in action. From the blood flow to nerve signals, it's a live example of how biology works. And hey, if you're a student, especially one preparing for MDCAT, NEET, or board exams, this is a golden chance to observe the practical side of the circulatory, digestive, nervous, and even muscular systems of animals. So watch closely, observe respectfully, and connect what you see to what you study. Islam teaches us to respect life, and science helps us understand it better. If you found this explanation helpful, subscribe to Easy Science Hub for more amazing science topics explained in a simple way. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who love learning something new every day. Once again, Eid Mubarak to you and your family.